Hi, Eric here from Cycle. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Cruz toolkit for BMW motorcycles. Take a quick look through this comprehensive package, see what's included with it. Let's get started. So there's actually an awful lot of product in here. So we've got electrical tape for wrapping up lots of different situations. We have an extension and a nice little ratchet here with release, as well as we've got our sockets for BMW style motorcycles all tucked in neatly here. We've got a 13 millimeter, we've got a 10, we've got an 8 millimeter, and also an 8 millimeter Torx here as well for our ratchet. We also have this great axle tool that is also included for removing the front wheel on the bike. We've got a set of Torx keys, Loctite, and this great screwdriver which has bits on both ends. So you got a total of 4 screwdriver bits, all included in this nice little screwdriver handle as well there. We've got Allen keys, tie wraps, safety wire, tire pressure gauge, a good quality pair of vice grips in here. We also have this great adjustable wrench that opens very, very wide for the size of the wrench that it is. And right here we've got our Torx, we've got our E10 and E12. This is great for a lot of handlebars on BMW motorcycles. And then we've got open and box end wrenches from 8, 10, 12, and 13, all included in this kit as well. So there's pretty well nothing on your BMW motorcycle that you're not able to side of the road service with this basic toolkit right here. Thanks for checking out our video and visit Cycle.ca.